So in this video, we're talking about troubleshooting or sort of reacting to the emails that you might receive from Altria in regards to your scan data program. And so if you receive an email that talks about pricing opportunity, that's the one that I want to talk about first. So this is not a technical scan data issue, it's a pricing issue that so in the email that you will receive will also be a resolution guide, and if you search for a pricing issue on that resolution guide, you would see, one sec, and so the pricing opportunities talk about review failing price groups and determine affected SKUs, validate if SKUs are not or at or below the promotional max price to meet the requirements, funding. So this has to do with improperly pricing things. So it's not really a question of, oh, you didn't send the data correctly. It's a question of the pricing that you have transmitted is being rejected. That's so something in that price is wrong, whether you're discounting wrong or your initial pricing is wrong. But it is best to get your Altria agent involved, because as a third-party providers, we're not really experts on pricing. We're more experts on technology. We know how to transmit stuff, we know what goes where, but how much a discount needs to be, that's a question to your Altria rep. Or how much my tobacco products need to sell for, that's also a question to your Altria rep. And so pricing opportunities issues, that like if you receive an email and it talks about pricing opportunity, I would say that your best bet right away is to get your agent, your Altria rep involved, and seek some guidance from them as to what is happening, because most likely you are either under or over discounting or under or over pricing. That's it. That's what it'll end up being. But we have no guidance on what that should be. As your technical third-party provider, we can only handle the technology aspect of it. Okay? So that's pricing opportunities.